In this third video in the series, we will use elicit user opinion, which can be both positive and negative opinions. We are now going to change how Ava responds to the question, "How's your experience with our new game?" Please rate it on a scale of 1 to 5, where 1 is terrible and 5 is excellent. She will now respond differently depending on whether the response is positive or negative. Ensuring the topic card is selected, scroll down to the section Customize Chatbot Response and add a custom response. Using trigger 1, click on, select an operator and click greater or equal to and select 4. Now click Actions and select Quick Acknowledgement. Type in the response, "Great to hear, thanks for your feedback." Now you will ask the customer why they gave such a positive response. You will notice a new topic card has been created. Click on this card. You'll be asked what kind of question will the chatbot ask. Select Free Text. Scroll down to the Pre-Built Chatbot Responses section and using the spyglass icon again, make sure you choose Ask a user's positive opinion about something. It will be under the section Elicit an opinion. Select this. Now go back to the topic card that asks the question, how's your experience with our new game? Click it and this time create another custom response with a trigger for less than or equal to 3. Add a new action and select Quick Acknowledgement. This quick acknowledgement will say thank you for your rating. Click to add a new action. Select Follow Up, Request, Create a new question. Another new topic card is created. Click on this new topic card and create a free text question. For this new question, we want to find out what they liked and disliked. Type the message, "Could you tell me what you liked and disliked about our game?" Again, scroll down to the Pre-Built Chatbot Responses section and select the response, "Ask a user's opinion on something." It may contain both negative and positive feedback. Select this. This time when you preview your chatbot and you get to that question, make sure you click 1 or 2. Do create some dummy text saying what you do and don't like about the game.